it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. And if she ain't got a butt, now forget get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it, yo. Yeah, you just wanna party, you just wanna lap dance, you just wanna pop up on these cons like you the Batman. You just wanna ball out in designer with your best friends. You don't wanna talk no more about it in the past tense. Get me out my zone, I'm just talking comfort, shawty. I ain't give you nothing, you got come for shawty. I got plenty things you make a run for shawty. Call him Ed Sheeran, he in love with my body. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. And if she ain't got a butt, now fucking get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it, yo. Y'all need to take it into the drip like a piranha. Y'all need to take it into my drip like y'all need water. I mean, it's only head to toe, Balenciaga. I mean, y'all bitches better, y'all like Ariana. If they ever tryna knock up, put my foot up in your caca. Call your mama and your papa like I'm finna take a dada. Run that bitch into a snack up and rocka, rocka, rocka. Get into it like a suit and pack a stack of this. Get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, I said get into it, yo. And if she ain't got a butt, now fucking get into it, yo. And I said I just got a ball, get into it, yo. Pop out with a truck, get into it, yo. If you go to church, get into it, yo. If she ain't got a butt, fucking get into it, yo. Thank you, Nikki. I love you. Got that big rocket on truck.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, this on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums, 4-5 sums. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. We took both, bro. One in Atlanta, now Montana, excuse my manners, I got status, excuse my manners, I got status, I got status, you want status, see more comments, and I see commas, they going tell me, we going down to, let me be honest, I went with the Bucks, boy, let me be honest.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, my da, 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 da. Try me, I deserve it. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the righteous. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I must leave a decoration. You mistaken my love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. It's in me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. When the cat from my touch.
Yeah, okay, you need to get.
Alright, babe, that's it for now. I gotta lay down, I gotta work. So I used the Kiss So Wispy Full Bouncy Volume Curl. Don't know what size it is. Okay, and these are those lashes. So I use those. I cut these to make individual clusters. And then I use the individual eyelashes. I don't know who these are by, but I got them off of Amazon. If you are wanting the information, just let me know below and I will link it. But these are 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. And then they have lower lashes as well, which I won't put on. I would only do that for like the weekends, or if I'm going somewhere and I'm just going to work and want to look presentable. So I used, out of this case, I believe, let me see. I used some of the 18, some of the 17, and some of the 15, I believe, in the inner corner. Well, not all the way to the inner corner, but almost. So I'm not sure which style of lashes this is, but it's custom, honey. So yeah, I did that and used those particular sizes to make it fuller, a little bit more dramatic, but it's kind of natural looking, I guess. So hopefully they are okay. I'm trying to just let them dry. I need my little fan. So yeah, I'm just trying to let them dry. I'm about to go lay down for a little bit. I gotta get up and start getting ready for work in about, hell, an hour actually at this point. But I woke up pretty late today, so that's why I'm still up right now. So yeah, I want to go ahead and lay down and I'll be back. I don't know if this is going to be one video in itself or if I am going to like start a vlog with this and just insert this footage. So however it goes, I'll see you in the next video, babe. Take care of yourself and know things are always working out for you. Okay? All right, bye-bye. That's all.